Hola, mi amigos. Raw chicken, get out of here. More days in nature, more hunter eyes. Oh my god, my eyes, they're turning back to the hunter form. Wild bird, number 5. Let's get it, guys. This is a small little fellow. Small cutie. It's a cutie. Little cutie pie. Any bird experts out there wanna tell which species it is? Let us know. And let us know the Latin word as well. Because that doesn't matter at all. It's just gonna flex your knowledge of things that don't really matter. Anyway, let's get this birdie. Let's get this little guy cleaned up and get you back then. Oh no, we lost an eye. It's an cyclop bird. Look at this little bird. Not freaking much meat, it looks like a heart. Oh man, that little guy came to my tummy. The little guy, let's start with the breast meat. Look at that beautiful red meat. Shit. Sorry. Oh man, this might be the best one, yeah. Not much meat, but the meat. Oh yeah. That's that tuna of the freaking sky. It really reminds me of tuna fish. And tuna fish is awesome. This might be the best tasting one. Or maybe it's kinda similar. Well, they all are kinda similar. It's freaking raw meat. But they are a little bit different. The last one was kinda raw chicken like. This is more like tuna like. The first one I ate more into the spring, that was also very tuna like. The second one was, look at those little legs. The second one was pretty tuna-like. The third one was kinda tuna-like. And the fourth one, raw chicken-like. Here's the leg meat. With this little guy, you can pretty much eat the whole freaking thing. You can eat the whole freaking thing with the bones and everything. Let's try the eyeballs and the brains. Wow. The eyeballs and the brains, usually the best part. Too bad these small little guys don't have much brains. No wonder people in the jungle eat monkey brains. No wonder. 10 out of 10. These small birds. Truly very good meat. We'll leave rest to the other parts of nature. Let's enjoy this raw chicken. I am hungry today. Hell yeah. Soaking up the rays. Tuna of the sky in the pail. Little salmon Nutella in the mix. Hell yeah. So yeah, the more time you spend in the nature, the better your hunting skills become. No wonder those indigenous people, when the white boys made the contact with them, they were like amazed how these nature folks, they had like sixth sense, for real. Their hunting abilities were out of this world, and they didn't have any of these modern technologies, rifles or anything. So human beings are capable of a lot more than we normie 2025 normie people think or can do, because we have been retarded by the system from the get-go. We freaking come out inside in a blue lit room, probably full of drugs. Then we get shot a little bit more with that man-made medicine. These days it might be not a little bit more, it's more. Then we spend a couple more hours or days inside. Then our parents probably think sunlight is bad for us, so we don't see much sunlight from the get-go. And then it's just downhill from there, huh? These days, it pretty much is if you don't know what the fuck you're doing. You really need to know all the pitfalls. And there's many huge pitfalls, making your tires flat, making your freaking engine not run smoothly, making your engine overheat, or making that gasoline or oil run dry. Run dry, boy. And then we on the struggle bus through the system. The system is so much fun when your mitochondria are in struggle city and you cannot create energy. Your redox sucks ass. Then the system really becomes fun, because you get to know all these little conveniences, safety measures. You get to know all these insurance policies. You get to know all these doctors and nurses who are there to take care of you. You get to know all these little businesses that make little dollar bills out of you. And they might not be even those little dollar bills. They might be those big ones. And they made that out of you because you became sick. You became diseased. Because you have forgotten the life that nature has for you. The natural life. The life that human beings used to have all the times before the system became the system that it is today. And that one took some time. It was a like couple thousand-year plan. These folks, they were like few thousand years ago, like I gotta manifest this shit. So my 2,000-year-old ancestors can control all of this. It probably didn't go that way, but roughly speaking, that's the way it went. Couple thousand years ago. Some people in Greece or Rome or whatever, or Egypt or Jerusalem were just thinking like, how can we rule everybody? How can we take over everybody? And then they just started to execute. Freaking one children at a time, one grandchildren at a time, and they compromised those quickly. They trained them quickly to follow the plan. And now they got everything. They got most people's minds, they got most people's hearts, they got most people's souls, they got most people's energy on them. But there's a little counter movement happening, I would say. Called base science and base knowledge, and there's a couple other people. There's few other people. The numbers are increasing. You better start checking on your freaking Gucci boots, on your freaking super Icelands and yachts and whatever. We coming for US. We charging up. We freaking raw meeting it up. So we can take over this shit. Hell yeah. Charge up.